As of the posting of this story, Baytown police were still investigating the mysterious circumstances related to a motorcycle accident on Garth Road. The accident occurred on Saturday night, April 30th, 2011, and a Baytown policeman happened to witness the operator of the motorcycle as he merged onto Garth Road from Hunt Road. According to police, the man never negotiated the right turn onto Garth Road, but went straight and plowed through a fence. He was seriously injured and airlifted to Memorial Hermann Hospital in Houston, Texas.
The patient appears to be having a real hard time breathing right now. We got obvious swelling to the face. Baytown, still last light on the ground.
Last light on the ground, 27.
Baytown, 31.
No one.
Still last light here.
Last light on the yes, 2028.
That's a 3. He's intubated. He's got head, chest injuries, diffuse subcutaneous emphysema over his face, neck, and chest. Pressure 113/44, heart rate's 100%, with an end tidal of 45, and we'll be offloading hotel on arrival.